Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Design Dynamo, and in this quick Photoshop tutorial we are going to learn the secret lens flare option in Photoshop 2024. So let's get started. I'm going to show you a secret option that will allow you to precisely place a lens flare in any photo. For this tip we are going to work with this document that contains two layers, a portrait, a solid black layer that we will set to screen blending mode. So we will work on non-destructively. Now I am going to decide where I want to place my flare. So here where these guides cross, you'll see here in this picture, if I hover over that specific spot, you will notice that X and Y coordinates in the info panel. Just remember these numbers, then go to filter, select render and select lens flare. There is a tip: hold down Alt or Option together on the Mac and click on the preview window to reveal the precise flare center. You can enter the X and Y coordinates in the corresponding box. Hit OK. And there it is. Lens flare will be applied in your photo. So this gives you ultimate control as to where you to place the lens flare. Now guys, this is all about how to place a lens flare option in Photoshop. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel Design Dynamo. Thanks for watching.